All right, in this video, we're going to go over how to create AI UGC videos in 2026. And let's get right into it by taking a look at what kind of output you can expect when you follow along and actually execute these steps that I'm about to show. So this is done with the exact workflow that I'm going to share with you in a minute. Let's take a quick look.
This is the one I was telling you about.
All right, so as you can see, the sound was spot on, character consistency 100%, the realism and actual emotions delivered by the AI influencer also unbeatable. I don't really think that, there's anything out there in the market that can actually beat this kind of output quality. So if you want to know how I made this and the exact workflow, make sure to watch the full video. Let's get right into it. So this is VidGuy. Let me introduce you guys to our platform real quick. VidGuy lets you create viral shorts in minutes. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different formats that you can create by using VidGuy, as you can see from our example carousel down here. And it's also quite affordable when it comes to the pricing. We know what kind of a struggle it is to get started with AI UGC content. That's why actually we give away a shit ton of credits compared to, a lot of the other players in the market, because we know it is difficult. It does require a lot of trial and error, and it actually takes also a lot of effort to learn the entire processes and the work that or the logic behind creating AI UGC content. But without further ado, let me show you exactly how these kind of workflows work. So just come to VidGuy. As soon as you sign in and create your account, you'll actually be able to click on create. You see all the different formats that we have on the platform right here. So we actually do faceless content, motion graphics, character UGC, carousel images, and slides. And for the sake of this video, we're just going to go with character UGC. And as you can see, again, there's 4 different formats that you can choose from. We have the standard UGC, which is simply just a creator talking. We have the B-roll, which automatically lets our agents in the background assign relevant B-roll to your video. And then you have these 4 subcategories. So you can do the montage, you can do the split screen, the side card, or cutaway punch. So this gives your videos an additional layer of immersiveness and captures the viewer's attention to make sure that you go viral. We also have the UGC demo. So as you can see, you can upload your own demo of whatever you're trying to advertise. And you can actually either choose the demo split screen, the demo sandwich. Sandwich is where it shows the AI creator at the start and the very end of the video, just to say a couple of words and introduce the user before actually switching to the demo. Or the demo overlay, also a super popular format. Brainrot is split screen with gameplay footage at the top. I think everyone is familiar with that. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to go with a demo. And it's really as simple as choosing your character. We also have a character library here that you can look into simply by clicking here, giving it a name, continuing, and you can generate your own characters, browse the library, or upload your own images. So with the library, you can see that there's different characters in here that you could choose from. And for the sake of this video, we're just going to go with this one. And after you've selected your character, you can even change the scene. So you could put your character into a custom scene, essentially replacing the environment and the background simply with a couple of sentences, right? So let's say you wanted the character to be in a podcast studio instead. You would simply say something like, change the scene to a podcast studio. And our AI would take care of that for you. The script follows the same pattern. You can simply put in your initial thoughts, kind of the topic that you want to cover. For example, I could go with introduce VidGuy .ai in 15 seconds. I could refine it with AI, and it would automatically generate the entire script for me. So no additional work on that side. I would upload my demo. I would choose which platform I would want this short to go on, the duration of the clip that I want to create. I can choose the different video models, Voices are generally already assigned, but you can obviously feel free to choose your own. And that's it. Same for the UGC B-roll, same for the standard UGC. It all follows the same process. We have all the video models that you can think of. So there's literally no easier way to go viral than following these steps and making sure you get output that is as great as the one we've looked at the start of this video. Additionally to that, we also have our Seedance 2.0 studio, and this is actually also where a lot of the magic happens because we provide templates for you. I know how difficult it is to actually create something that looks spot on, right? And our job is actually to feed you with all the tools that you need to make sure that you go viral. And that is exactly why we built this library. So if you like a clip in here, you can simply click on recreate. It will give you the entire prompt. No secrets, nothing kept from you. You can upload your reference, which usually is like the product or whatever you want the character to showcase, and you're done. It's that simple. Don't have to overcomplicate anything. You can simply come in here, recreate. If you really want to, you could obviously change some of the references, you could change some of the setting, you could change some of the movements, or you could even go ahead and change the character, right? Entire freedom is up to you, but we want to make sure that we provide you with everything that actually gets you great videos. And as you can see, if you're looking for a trailer or something else to make or a product commercial, it's all stuff that you can do in VidGuy, all in one place, ready for you to be used, and make sure that you can create UGC content or AI generated content that looks as fresh and as crisp as this one. All right, if you have any questions or if you want free credits for VidGuy, make sure to comment below. I'll make sure to get back at you. And if you have any other questions, send us an email or comment below this video or join our Discord community for additional support. And with that being said, I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.